Okay, we're out here on the open river, out here on the Cumberland River, out here on the main channel. And we have made some adjustments to our 6-horse Johnson that we put the lawnmower motor on. Now, a lot of people's been requesting that I show a little bit of detail as to how we did this. We put it, the mount on the leg with 4x4 blocks, as you can see here. And then we put little 1-bys on the side to kind of box it in to, you know, make it look a little bit more professional. Well, the original speed that I had with this unit was 7 miles an hour. And that was going upstream against the current. Going downstream, we do about 8. So I did some experimenting with some props, and I ended up coming up going from a 7.5-inch prop with a 7.5-inch pitch to an 8-inch prop with an 8-inch pitch. And now we're running about 9 to 10 miles an hour depending on the current of the river. So I'm gonna give you a little show of how this looks. We put a kill switch right here. So here we go. We'll start her up.